Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI video generator with Google VEO 3 in Canva. Let's begin. So you're going to open your web browser, then in the search bar, you're going to type in www.canva.com/AI. Then you're going to be greeted by this page, which will say, what will you design today? So in the text box, it's going to say, describe your idea and I'll bring it to life. So you are going to enter in your prompt. So mine is a high-intensity rally car action scene in the middle of a rugged, dirty trail. But then if you don't want to type it in, you can simply head over to the right and then use the microphone option. And then you can add in some more media here by selecting the plus icon. So what you'll do is, here where these tabs are, you are going to choose create a video clip. And then you can also select the style by selecting the drop-down option. Then you can use cinematic, photorealistic, 3D render, animated. I'm going to use cinematic. Then aspect ratio, do you want it landscape or do you want a portrait? I'm going to keep it as landscape. You can choose the duration, 8 seconds. But then the custom duration will be coming soon, so I'm going to keep it as 8 seconds. Then framing, basically how far or close do you want the subject to be? I want the subject to be in the medium shot. Then lighting, I'm going to use soft lighting. Simply head over to the right and select submit. Then it'll say queuing up the digital director. You just have to wait a few minutes. Okay, so the video is complete. So if I move my cursor to the video, it's going to play. How cool is that? Then if you want to download it, head over to the top right and select the download option. There you go. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.